Okay, in this problem, this is the second practice problem in your packets. We're calculating the volume of 32.0 grams of dinitrogen tetroxide, which has a formula of N2O4. I don't think that's printed in your packet, but that's an important piece of information here. At 45.0 degrees Celsius and 3.4 atmospheres. So as we're looking through this, we notice a lot of information here that we're given, all right, as well as the formula that's going to come into play on this one. So let's write down some things here. We're given a mass equals 32.0 grams. Hopefully there's some flags going off right away, or some alarms going off, because we've got a mass and we know that for our ideal gas law, PivNert, we need moles. So we're thinking about how we need to convert that right away. We've got 45.0 degrees Celsius, so T equals 45.0 degrees C. Oh, alarm's going off again. Celsius temperature, not going to work here. We're going to need Kelvin temperature. I did this earlier. 45 degrees Celsius is 318.15 K. All right, we know our pressure, P equals 3.4 atmospheres. And it's asking us to calculate the volume. So V is what we need. All right, we know we're going to need PivNert, PV equals nRT for this problem. But before we get there, we better make this conversion of 32.0 grams of N2O4 into moles. All right, so I did a little work ahead of time. The reason I put the formula in here is we're going to need that molar mass for N2O4. So we add up 2 nitrogens, 4 oxygens. I did this earlier and I came up with 92.02 grams for every 1 mole. All right, and that computes out to 0.348 moles. All right, so we had to do one extra step here, a little preliminary step to go from mass to moles. So now when we come up to PivNert, PV equals nRT, we can rearrange this, all right, and we can plug our N in for moles, and then we'll be able to rearrange this and solve for V. All right, so rearranging this equation, when I get V by itself, means I'm going to move P to the other side. So algebraically, we end up with V equals nRT over P. All right, certainly you can plug in the numbers. You do not have to rearrange this equation. V equals N, 0.348 moles, times R. Remember, R is going to change based on your pressure units. Since we have atmospheres here, we're going to use the value of 0.08206. And the units are ATM times liters over moles times Kelvin times our temperature in Kelvin, 318.15 K. All of that is over our pressure, which is 3.4 atmospheres. All right, if we picked up already that 3.4 atmospheres only has 2 sig figs in it, that's what our answer is going to end up having, is 2 sig figs. So on my calculator, I multiply these 3 numbers divided by 3.4. I did this earlier and I came up with 2.7 atmospheres. All right, there's my answer for this sample problem. Hopefully you got this. Please make sure you attempt this one. Copy this down if you need to. We'll have some more practice problems in a little bit.